Hi, everybody. This is Michael Levitis, and I am the founder and CEO of jurisq.com and AlphaPRPro.com. Today, we're going to talk about your website blog and the importance of having one. First of all, I need you to go and take a look at your website blog. There's a very, very big chance it is either outdated or completely empty. Why is it there? Is it there because your website developer put it there and said for you it's good to have one? Did you have an idea you're going to use it to promote your company, but you're not updating it? If it is outdated, it looks horrible. It looks very unprofessional. It shows you uncaring about maintaining your company assets, your company face, because that's what the blog is. It's about your company. It's about the news in your business field, in your practice area. So let's talk about why you should have a blog. What are the benefits and what are you missing out if you don't have a properly maintained blog on your website page? So let's start off with benefit number one. It gives you authority. It makes you look like what you are, which is an expert in your field, an expert in your practice area, right? This is why you created this business, because you know what you're doing. You want to show it to the people. And how do you show it? By educating people, by, for free, explaining what are the aspects of this business field that people should know about, what are the news, and so on, okay? Also, the most important part of having a blog benefit is SEO, search engine optimization. What is that? You can get traffic to your website through Google Ads. Google Ads are very expensive, right? They are on top of the Google page in searches. You search for, let's say, an attorney near me, a dentist near me, or a good attorney, affordable attorney, and different results pop up. People pay for that, and they pay a lot for that, okay? You want to get free traffic. You want to get free traffic from Google. You want to appear in what's called organic searches. To do that, Google, who's not stupid, by the way, Google have to recognize you as an authority, as an expert, as somebody that could bring value to Google, to their content, right? If you have a website that is empty, doesn't have a proper blog, Google is not going to consider you valuable. They're not going to bring you up. You're going to be on second, third, 10th page. You want to be on the first page. So you have to create value on your website for Google to recognize you, okay? And you do that through a blog. To do a blog, it is not expensive at all. It is very affordable, and you could do it yourself, or you can hire a professional. But if you do it yourself, there are various tools to do it, and I'll give you some ideas right now. First of all, you as the owner of the company, you should be on that blog, because you are the face of the company, and it makes the content look genuine, that not a paid actor was presenting information, but that you care enough to educate the public, not just about yourself and about the company, but about the issues in your field. And by the way, you should talk less about yourself, because in reality, people don't care so much about you. People care about topics in your field. There are thousands of ads everywhere. They all scream, I'm the best, I'm the greatest. What sets you apart? Let's talk about that. Use your own voice. You are your firm's best spokesperson. People are going to appreciate if you give them free content, if you educate them, and they're going to come back and again and again and again to your website until they finally feel comfortable with you. You are now credible, and they will buy from you. That's how it works. It takes time, but in the end, it's worth it. And let's talk about tools. For me, I found the best tool to run a blog is create videos. To write an article, It's time consuming. You can have writer's block. The best thing is to overcome your fears. Don't be shy. Put on a video and start recording and talk about your field. If you are a dentist, educate what's out there. Educate the importance of checkups, looking for cavities, teeth cleaning, so on. If you're an attorney, there's so much you can talk about. There's so many legal topics of interest, so many news that are out there on trials that people are interested in. Talk about that. Put in your expertise. Put in your 2 cents into that. People are going to appreciate it, and you're going to establish yourself as an authority. If you're a real estate agent, talk about how to sell your home best to get top value. What are buyers looking for in a home? You get the idea. In your business, you know yourself what people are interested in hearing about. Then once you create the video, based on the video, you can create already articles. It's going to be so much easier because you're just going to use your own speech to write articles based on what you said. So you already have plenty of material. And now imagine that if you do 4 videos a month, that's 1 video a week. That gives you 8 pieces of content because you're going to have now 4 videos and 4 articles. So now you can update your blog every few days. In 3 days, put a video. In 3 days, put an article, and so on and so forth. But not only that, now you're going to have material to repurpose for your social media accounts, for your Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, possibly TikTok. I know we all thought, oh my God, I got to create all this content for Facebook and for Instagram. What do I do? Where do I start? Boom. You already have all that because you create videos for your website. Now you can cut them up and you could what's called repurpose them for your social media. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this little segment. Please follow me for more tips on how to market your business online. This is what we do at JurisQ for attorneys, for AlphaPRPro, for all other businesses. And please click like on the videos. Please follow us and stay tuned for more advice how to make yourself #1 authority in your field online. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.